Hey folks, what's up? Mike Duncan here. Thanks for tuning into this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about a $7 thing I've got called Lead Lightning. This $7 thing is going to generate for you leads for your existing business and make you a nice little bit of side money, a little bit of side cash in the form of $6 commissions. And how that works is once you've paid your $7 one time joining up fee, you never have to pay again. It's there's no monthly repeat subscriptions or prescriptions. There's no monthly subscription. There's no membership renewals. There's no annual subscription or anything like that. It's a $7 one time. And every time you bring in a $7 buyer, then we're going to pay you $6. Okay, and you can do that over and over and over. Okay, there's no limit to the amount of $6 commissions that you can make. I will say that Lead Lightning is a gateway to something much bigger and better that can offer you much bigger commissions, and that is called the Power Lead system. And if you ever want to look at that, once you're inside your Lead Lightning back office, you just come to this Supercharge My system. I'm not going to say any more about that because today we're talking about the $7 Lead Lightning proposition for you. Okay, once you've paid your $7, there will be a link below. All you need to do is click through there, go to my lead capture page, enter your name and email, watch the sales video, and just click get your system now and pay the $7. Once you've got that, you're set up with your business in a box, ready to go and start earning your $6 commissions. Once you're inside your back office, which this is, I'm inside my back office right here, all you need to do is click on the How Do I Get Started button, and I'll show you exactly what you're going to get. So you click on here and you're going to see it says getting started in 3 simple steps. In fact, there's 4. Okay, they lied. No, they didn't. Okay, what you get about a 5-minute video. Watch the video. Okay, and take it all in. Make notes if you need to make notes. Come down, scroll down, and you've got 3 steps here. Click here to go and join our Facebook group. Now, this Facebook group is purely for paid members, so that's members like you of the Lead Lightning system and the Power Lead system. Okay, which is the ramped up version of Lead Lightning, you could say. Okay, and then all you need to do then is choose which link you want to promote, and then start advertising it. And we'll show you how to do that. I've got videos on my Facebook page. I've got videos in my YouTube channel that you can come and have a look at and learn how to actually market the system and how to get started and to start bringing in those $6 commissions. It's really simple. This is done for you. There's no setting up. You get a lead capture page. I'll show you what that is. Excuse me, got the hiccups. Okay, what you actually got, I'll show you the lead capture page and the sale page in just a second. But you've got a choice of two funnels here. You've got Lead Lightning Link A and you've got Lead Lightning Link B. Lead Lightning Link A is the one you will use if you haven't got another business. Okay, if you haven't got another business and you use Lead Lightning Link A, people are going to go through and they're going to get I think it's 8 or 9 email autoresponder email campaign that's going to go out on autopilot. So you don't even have to write any emails. We've done all that for you. Okay, and if people don't buy it straight away, they're going to get 8 or 9 messages from you telling them to just reminding them to have a look at this $7 thing that we've got. Okay, if you have another business, okay, which most of you have, if you have another business, you need to use link B. And how you do that is you just put whatever business it is, you put the referral link or your affiliate link, whatever you want to call it, your personal link, here in this box here, and you click update. Now that automatically programs an extra or another 7 or 8 videos to you, another 7 or 8 emails to you. So instead of the 8 or 9 that they get from link A, they're going to get about 17, I think it is, emails from you. And alternatively, they're going to promote Lead Lightning and your other business. Okay, so Use link B if you have another business. You don't, as I say, you don't even have to write any emails. You get a done for you lead capture page, you get a done for you sales page, and then even a done for you automated email campaign that goes out on your behalf. Okay, so let me show you what the lead capture page looks like. So whatever link you use, this is the lead capture page that your prospects are going to come to. They're going to put their email in there and ask you to send it, and click the button, say send it to me. Once they've done that, they are then in your email sequence. They will then start to get emails from you instantly. Okay, and they will go through to this sales page. This sales page will do all the selling for you. If they don't buy straight away by clicking this button or the one at the very bottom, because if they click that, it just takes them down to the bottom of the page. Okay, so I'll just scroll back up to the page, and what they're going to get, what you get with Lead Lightning is your lead capture page, you get your sales page, you get your done for you autoresponder. Okay, it's so easy to use. It's going to help you build a buyers list. There's no monthly fees, and it's going to boost sales and enrollments to any other business that you're involved in. Okay, it's just 7 days, $7 for one time. Okay, and you get ready to go sales funnel. I've told you about that. Done for you autoresponder campaigns. I've told you about that. You get a contact management system. So all your leads are put into a contact management system. So they're theirs. They're yours for good. They're your contacts now. Okay, they're your leads. You get additional marketing help. We do training. We have weekly, twice weekly live Google Hangouts that walk you through different ways of promoting your business. You get an e-wallet where your payments will be put into your e-wallet. You can get yourself a prepaid Visa card from the e-wallet company and have your payments, have your commissions paid directly onto your Visa card. I'll just show you what it looks like here. I think they've changed it a little bit now, but all your payments will be paid straight onto your card, and you can go into any store. You can pay for your gas with it. You can buy things on the internet with it. It's just super cool. Okay. You get instant $6 commissions. You get a commission tracking system. Traffic training, as I said, there's loads of training in the back office for you. And we do the twice weekly training, live trainings as well. It's just a business in a box. It's super, super beginner friendly. Okay. There's no setting up. There's no coding. It's all done for you. Okay. So get your $7 system today. Send me a message. 2 ways you can market this for free. Well, there's social media. So that means Facebook, that means Instagram, that means LinkedIn, and that means YouTube. You need to start making videos, okay? I understand a lot of people aren't ready to make videos, might be a bit camera shy, but once you've paid your $7, what I'm going to do for you, if you send me a message on Facebook, my link to friend me on Facebook will be down below. My YouTube link will be down below, so you can go and check out my YouTube videos. And the link for the Lead Lightning as well will be down below. Send me a message, and I'll send you an MP4 file for this video, so you can actually upload this to your own YouTube channel, upload it to your own Facebook page, and you can use this to help you get more leads, more buyers. Okay, so the quicker you pay your $7, the quicker you get your Lead Lightning system, the quicker you get set up, the quicker you can start generating those non-stop $6 commissions. Okay, I think I've pretty much covered it. If I haven't, if you see me on YouTube, ask me any questions you want below. Give me a thumbs up. I really like that. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like or a comment on Facebook if you see it. And yeah, we'll see you on the inside. Okay, I'm done.